find the roots of the polynomial x square plus x plus 7 which is congruent to 0 mod 15. So we can consider by the data f of x which is equal to x square plus x plus 7 which is congruent to 0 mod 15. Since m value is 15, therefore the solution set which contains 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. up to 14, or we can take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In the place of 8 we can substitute as minus 7. In the place of 9 we can substitute as minus 6 up to minus 1. This is because 8 is congruent to minus 7 under mod 15, because 15 divides 8 minus of minus 7. Here 8 minus of minus 7 is plus 7. 8 plus 7 is 15. Obviously 15 divides 15 satisfies. So in the place of 8 we can substitute as minus 7. So in the similar way we can substitute in the place of 9 as minus 6. In the place of 10 as minus 5, 11 as minus 4, 12 as minus 3, 13 as minus 2, and in the place of 14 as minus 1, because 14 is congruent to minus 1 under mod 15, because 15 divides 14 minus of minus 1 is plus 1. 14 plus 1 is 15. Obviously 15 divides 15 satisfies. So we can take this set in the same as this. This is because if we substitute larger value in the given polynomial, it is very difficult to find the values. So we are using this method to find the values or to find the roots for the polynomial. So what's the next step? We have to substitute x value 0, 1, 2, 3 and the values in this set. So if we substitute x value 0 means this is 0 square plus 0 plus 7. So this value is 0 plus 0 plus 7. Obviously we get a value 7. 7 is not congruent to 0 mod 15. This is because 15 does not divide 7. So substitute x is equal to 1. Therefore we get 1 square plus 1 plus 7 which is equal to 9. So this value is 9. So 9 is not congruent to 0 mod 15. Similarly, we have to check for all the values. If we substitute x is equal to 2 means 2 square plus 2 plus 7, that value is 13. So 13 is also not congruent to 0 mod 15 because 15 does not divide 13. Similarly, substitute x value is 3 means 3 square plus 3 plus 7, we get a value as 19. So 19 also not congruent to 0 mod 15. Similarly, substitute for 4, that is if we substitute x as 4 means 4 square plus 4 plus 7 is 27. So 27 also not congruent to 0 mod 15. So substitute x value as 5, that is 5 square plus 5 plus 7, that value is 37. 37 is not congruent to 0 mod 15. Similarly, substitute x value as 6 means 6 square plus 6 plus 7, that value is 49, which is not congruent to 0 mod 15. Substitute x value as 7 means 7 square plus 7 plus 7, that is 63, which is not congruent to 0 mod 15. In the similar way, we substitute for minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 and minus 7. We get, if we substitute for x is equal to minus 1, we get minus 1 square minus 1 plus 7, we get a value 7, which is not congruent to 0 mod 15. If we substitute x is minus 2, that is minus 2 square minus 2 plus 7, which is 9, which is not congruent to 0 mod 15. Similarly, substitute x is equal to minus 3, that is minus 3 square minus 3 plus 7, which is 13, which is not congruent to 0 mod 15. Similar way, we have to find for minus 4, that is minus 4 square minus 4 plus 7, which is equal to 19, which is not congruent to 0 mod 15. Similarly, substitute for x is equal to minus 5, that is minus 5 square minus 5 plus 7 is 27, which is not congruent to 0 mod 15. Also, x is minus 6. If we substitute x as minus 6, that is minus 6 square minus 6 plus 7, which is equal to 37. That also not satisfies the congruency. In a similar way, we have to substitute for x is equal to minus 7, that is minus 7 square minus 7 plus 7, which is equal to 49, which is not congruent to 0 mod 15. So we are substituting x value as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2 and minus 1. We didn't get us root for the solution. Therefore, we can conclude that f of x which is equal to x square plus x plus 7, which is congruent to 0 mod 15, has no solution. This is because for all the values of x we are substituted, there is no congruency satisfied. So we can conclude that the given polynomial has no solution. So this completes the problem. Here, instead of doing all this procedure, we can split here mod 15, we can split m value as 3 into 5. So 3 into 5 is 15. So we can find the value for bigger mod m value, that is m is 5. For the value 5, we can substitute x value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can check this method for the value 5, that is under mod 5 means we have to check for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And it also does not contains no solution. Therefore, we can conclude that under mod 5 has no solution. So 5, another value that is 3, which is lies under 5, also has no solution. Therefore, the given polynomial has no solution.